Hello, you are so welcome to this training with me. This is just an overview of the back office that you have with Builderall after you sign up with either the 14 days free trial, the $1 trial, or you come up with the premium plan. With the premium plan, you have all these tools that I'm going to share with you. But if you come on a limited version, any of the plans below the 69, then you may be limited in some of the tools that I'm about to share with you. Now I'm sharing my screen, so unfortunately you may not be able to see me, but if this is the first time you actually meeting me, we met in the introductory video. Welcome to Builderall, and today's video is all about the back office. So do stick with me. I'll quickly take you through the tool to understand or have an idea about what it is that you should be expecting in Builderall. If you look on the top, we have so many tabs here, very powerful tabs you need to take a look at. And the most important tab I want you to know is this one, the new knowledge base. Very important. Whatever questions you have, just go there and then search for your answer. It will surely be there for you. When you click on home, you have all the tools at the back office as is displayed right now. If you hover on apps, you see the tools again in this way in another format in their written form. So whatever app it is you're looking for, you can just grab it. And also, if you don't have any app in your back office, you can simply click on customize and all the apps will go to your back office as well. Then training, when you come to training, all the trainings you need on each tool plus other questions that you have is on the training tabs as well. We have the local business agency training, Facebook ad course. I actually encourage you to take a look at the Facebook ad course because it's very, very good. It gives you a detailed understanding of all that you need to do in Facebook ads. And then we have top affiliates training. The top earners in the industry have actually put together a lot of resources, videos, graphics, everything that you need to promote Builderall is also found here in Trello. Then we come to affiliates. If you click on affiliates, another drop down will come to an extreme left hand side, which will show you your links, your whatever. I think we'll come to take a look at it, but for now I just want to show you all the tools that we have here. So if you are looking for your affiliates links, you click here, it will give you a drop down. Go to the lead generation funnel. Once you click on the lead generation funnels, all that those tools will come out for you to see all the links that you have to promote. Notices, if there is any notification, it will be given to you here. Help, support, very important. Make support your friend. Everything you are trying to understand or do and you are finding it challenging, just send a support ticket and they will surely respond to you. Once you send a ticket, it will be shown in the ticket area, and then when you click on it, you see the message that you've sent as well. Certified partners are people that have been certified in the business by the authority. Add-ons, these are actually ways that you can promote the business using solo ads. So you can rightly promote your business right here using solo ads. And then events, any events that is going to happen is being given in the events calendar. And then the workshops, very, very powerful trainings that have been documented, created over a period of time, all has been put together in the workshop. So please do take time and also check it out as well. Mega bonus for you on Facebook training. All you need to know about Facebook training is also here. And then your account, all the information about you on your account is also found here. And then any notification you get, if you get a lead, you should see it here. If you get a commission, if you earn a commission, it's also there. If there is any update, a lot is just for the notification. So once you come and see anything, just click on the bell and then the notification will open up for you. So this is it for now from the top of the website. Now let's come to the tools. This is the Builderall Cheetah Builder Drag and Drop. This is the flagship product. It's used to create sales funnels, websites, and is super fast. super fast. And so all of you that want to learn website creation, Cheetah is here. WordPress 3-click integration is also used for websites creation. And then also we have the Pixel Perfect Builder is also used in website creation. So for now, all of them are functioning so well. Cheetah is the flagship and it also works super well. And so those of you that want to take a look at how to create websites or learn it, this is also for you. Then we have the email marketing automation. This is the sister or brother of GetResponse, Aweber, Mailing Boss, Sending Blue, MailChimp, and the rest. This is for email collection and sending. You can send bulk messages from this particular app. Is so powerful and works so well. Telegram is just a social media platform that you can actually use to get leads as well, to take a look at your business. Then we have the Builderall Canvas is also used in building sales funnels. The app builder, today's world is full of applications. All that we are seeing on our phones are apps that people have developed. If you are a young youth or you are grown and you think you want to go into app development, you can start testing this app development here to see your skills, and then as you go on, you know what to do better. Then we look at the Builderall Unlimited magazines. I like this one. It's so simple to edit. You can create unlimited magazines if you are on the premium plan, which I encourage everybody to make sure they come on the premium plan, because that is where the juice is. You can edit these magazines, sell them, or you can give them out for free. The e-commerce platform, anyone on Amazon, Alibaba, Jumia, all these e-commerce platforms, you can be an affiliate to them, get some products, if it's phone accessories, health and wellness, whatever, books, just stock your e-commerce shop with this product, send traffic to it. When they buy, you make commission, and then either Amazon or Alibaba takes care of the delivery for you. Builderall directory, you list your articles and then it's published for you. This also brings you more traffic. The video tag is very powerful. If you have your business video, if there is a business presentation that you have, or you have simply done a live demonstration of how to use your video, your product, you can just bring it into this app, and then it will tag your number or your email and your website to the video. So anyone that wants to get in touch can easily do that. And this is really powerful in conversion. Then the mockup studio you can use to easily create incredible images, videos, and Facebook posts that grab viewers' attention and drive action much more effectively than any standard photo at all. So do take a look at the mockup studio as well. It's very powerful. Then the video funnel builder, if you can create and share funnel videos by adding images, tags, and actions such as call, email, URL, and new features to add into it as well. This allows you, the presentation studio, this allows you to create professional business presentations without the need of programming or design skills. So anyone at all can hop into the presentation studio and create beautiful presentations for the training program or to sell and then make money. The 3D photo editor also creates beautiful photos, logos, social media graphics. Builderall Photo Studio is an easy yet powerful photo editing and graphic design for you. And then we have the animated sales video. This is very powerful. Those that are producing animated sales videos on Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest, they are charging from $50 through to $500 plus. And so if you want to go into that, you can equally take a look at this. So make unlimited animated videos and sales videos with animation to design your own characters and expressions, or choose between the hundreds that is in the back office. That is super cool. Then we have the transparent floating videos. When you create a video, you can easily take off the background and allow the video to work as if the person is also floating. Then notification, you can put notification on your website and get people notified of trainings, new products, free products, anything at all you want to notify your audience on. The app is there for you. SEO on page, if once you've created your website, you can check the health of your website by actually putting in the page link, and then it will populate the SEO report for you, telling you where it is you need to improve and where you've done very well. Click map also shows you how or where people are actually clicking on your website. Social auto post, this is very powerful for those of us that are so busy we are unable to actually get into our pages and post to our pages every day. You can create content in this tool for 30 days and it will post automatically to your page for you, your Facebook page, I mean. Professional messenger chat bot automates your communication with prospects and clients via messenger chat. You set it up and then it does the conversation for you. It can close sales for you and so more. And then Share Locker, create viral loads of traffic to your website by using the Builderall 3.0 Share Locker. Block access to your website until someone shares or likes. So this is how the Share Locker also works. Then create unlimited courses for your audience with our complete e-learning virtual learning platform. So this one, you can create courses. The course you are currently going through is actually created on the new e-learning platform, and so it's super powerful. You can create courses for your downlines, your cross lines, your uplines. You can create your own course and sell as well online. Then script generator, if Builderall script generator tool generates more leads for effective conversion. You never have to struggle with sales copywriting again. Anything you want to write, you can answer the questions in the script generator and it will generate the scripts for you. Social proof, Builderall social proof tool helps website owners increase their conversion rates, highlight offers, display recent purchases, and track custom and the rest. And then we have the video wrapper. This tool allows you to create amazing eye-popping, attention-grabbing videos in less than 2 minutes, and I am a testimony to this. I really use this tool so well. Instagram autoresponder, also Instagram autoresponder is an automation tool to engage your Instagram followers on your social media posts. So don't leave your followers waiting. Just grab this tool and start sharing value with them. SMS, you can send bulk SMS messages to a large number of recipients simultaneously with our SMS messaging app. And so say goodbye to sending messages to your large numbers one after the other and struggling with it. Then also Builderall webinar, create an interactive webinar with streaming options, screen sharing, webinar recording, and more. Organize live streaming on Facebook and YouTube as well. This is a very powerful tool. I've also been using it and it's really cool. Virtual assistants allow others or restricted access to your account and tools by simply sharing your Builderall email and generated access key with them. And then also professional emails, create professional email accounts for your domains to manage the communication of your business. So then we look at the professional website, but create chatbots for your website using your flow system without having to rely on Facebook or to engage your audience. Give visitors the impression of professionalism, and that is what this website chatbot does so well. Manage your customer pipeline, log sales activities, and store contact data all in one place. The CRM is simply customer relationship manager. Very powerful tool. I encourage everybody to take a look at. And lastly, we have the DNS manager, your tool to manage your domains connected to Builderall. Check their status and connection information. So all your domains can be tracked in the DNS manager. So far, this is all all the tools that we have. But before I take a leave, this is a very powerful tool. I really want to let you people take a look at the messaging, live messaging. If you have anything nagging question, you are doing anything, you are facing a challenge, just click on it, and then if there is a live support waiting for you to answer your question, all you need to do, put your question there, and then you pick the language that you are familiar with and click on start chat, and there you go. If you want to also remove any tool from the back office, you can simply click on remove and the tool will be gone. It doesn't mean it's not there. When you go to the apps, you want to restore it, you can do that as well. And so I hope you got value from this training. If you have any question, feel free to comment below with the questions that you have, and then I will surely get in touch with you and give you more clarity. Until then, it's a bye-bye. I will catch you in the next video that I'm preparing as well to help you in your Builderall business.